Hello, I'm back in Covell Ranch today at the Magnolia, which happens to be the show home and sales office for the Covell Ranch Phase 1. This home touts 1,613 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This floor plan is currently priced around $285,500. Let's go view it and let you see for yourself what a nice home this is. Come on, come go with me. This home touts 1,613 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Currently priced around $285,500. Some may consider even using the 4th bedroom as an office space. The bedrooms are large enough to provide the children with their own special space. The kitchen, with the new Frigidaire energy-efficient appliances, modern gray cabinetry, will make you smile every time you enter. The spacious layout of this home provides ample space for families and includes all the modern amenities to enhance your daily life. Hi, today I'm in Edmond, Oklahoma at Covell Ranch, a brand new construction neighborhood. I'm in front of the most economical home in this neighborhood called the Wright. This home is thoughtfully designed and combines comfort, functionality, modern living, and all within a price point of about $241,000. Stay with me to the end. My goal is to show you why this home might just be your next brand new home. This residence offers 1,209 square feet of well-planned living space, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The open concept layout seamlessly connects the large kitchen to the living room, creating an inviting environment for both relaxation and entertainment. The kitchen is a chef's delight, equipped with ample cabinetry and generous counter space. perfect for preparing culinary masterpieces for the family. With a microwave, dishwasher, and gas top cooktop stove oven combination, preparing your favorite meals for the family will be magical. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button for additional home tours and real estate insights. Take time to comment about what you liked or didn't like about this home. If you know anyone that is planning a move to the Oklahoma City Metro, please share my channel with them so they can be an informed buyer in this market. My contact information is pinned in the comments section. Hey, enough about the specifications of this great home. Come with me. Let's go take a look at this thing. As we step into the Wright home, we're welcomed by a spacious great room, thoughtfully designed to accommodate various furniture arrangements, allowing you to tailor the space to your lifestyle. The expansive countertop, ideal for adding bar chairs, serves as a perfect spot for guests during gatherings like Thanksgiving dinner, ensuring everyone feels included in the open layout. Your new kitchen, equipped with Frigidaire appliances, is set to become a family and friends favorite for get-togethers, offering reliable and modern features that enhance your culinary experiences. The 3 generously sized bedrooms features reach-in closets in the secondary bedrooms and a spacious walk-in closet in the master suite, providing ample storage for all your needs. Rausch Coleman emphasizes maximizing square footage in the areas where families and friends gather most, ensuring that shared spaces are both functional and inviting. Currently, I'm standing in front of the Roselyn floor plan here in Covell Ranch, a newly constructed home in Edmond, Oklahoma, completed in 2024. This home offers one of the largest floor plans in the new neighborhood. This home is 1,840 square feet and has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, as well as an attached 2-car garage. All this space and comfort for about $292,000. Folks, this is a brand new home that never has been lived in. Let me ask you, why would you consider an existing home and buy other people's problems when you can close on this home and move in within 30 to 45 days and everything is brand new and clean? The Roselyn plan prioritizes comfort for your family as well as a very aesthetic appeal to the eye. The open floor plan offers an expansive living area and a striking, well-designed kitchen with dishwasher, spacious countertops to make food prep simple and timely. You'll love the large pantry and modern cabinetry, and the gas-fired oven stove combination, it's super. Can you imagine being in this new home and entertaining your family and friends? Can you imagine yourself in this spacious home? Really? I can. Let me know in the comments section below. Come go with me and allow me to show you this awesome home right behind me. As we step up to the Roselyn home, you'll notice the thoughtfully designed roofline extending well beyond the entrance. This provides a covered space, keeping guests dry as they enter. Inside the long hallway, paired with large windows at the far end of the home, it creates a bright and open feel, giving the impression of a much larger space. The laundry room is also conveniently located in this area. At the front of the home, you'll find 3 generously sized secondary bedrooms along with one of the 2 bathrooms. Moving through the home, we arrive at the master suite, which features a spacious, well-appointed bathroom and a massive walk-in closet, perfect for all your storage needs. Exiting the master, we step into the heart of the home, a beautifully designed open concept space that seamlessly combines the kitchen, great room, and dining room. This layout is perfect for keeping everyone connected, whether someone's cooking in the kitchen, watching a movie in the great room, or sharing a meal at the dining table. This home truly brings people together. If you've enjoyed this video tour of the Roselyn home, please leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me whether you could see yourself living in this home or the new construction neighborhood of Covell Ranch. If this is your first time here and you want to know everything about buying or selling a home in Oklahoma City or any of the surrounding suburbs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest information. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Covell Ranch, a vibrant new construction community in Edmond, Oklahoma. Homes here are selling rapidly, reflecting the quality and appeal of this neighborhood. Recently, the builder provided approval to add 14 new home sites, further expanding opportunities for prospective homeowners. This expansion underscores the builder's commitment to providing quality homes at accessible price points, catering to first-time buyers, families, empty nesters, and retirees alike. If you're considering a move to the Oklahoma City Metro and you're interested in exploring these exceptional homes, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is pinned in the comments section of all of my videos. For those new to the channel, if you want to stay informed about buying or selling a home in Oklahoma City or its surrounding suburbs, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss out on the latest updates and information. Thank you once again for watching. I look forward to having you join me on future tours.